shit. Where did he come from?
Yeah, I'll get that one. I saw him there, so I just pulled.
I went, well, wait a minute, I'll come and tuck you in. I tucked her in, she got up again. In the end, she went, can I get in with Mum? Went, yeah, get in with Mum, I'll sleep in your bed. Fine. She gets in with Mum. Anyway, I get in bed, her bed at about 1:30 in the morning.
Jesus Christ,
then I get woken up at 3 in the morning by the youngest, who's saying that Mummy's making too much noise because she's coughing and not well. Can I get back in with you? Went, yeah, not a problem. She got back in with me at 3 a.m.
So they had to buy more, buy a price, so they shouldn't go up.
Oh!
Fucking hell.
Here comes the classic on the Gold Mine, Corby Radio.
We're playing the big guns on the Gold
What's it
Mine
playing
today
at?
on Corby Radio. We've had Black Sabbath.
Blonde.
Now we've got ELO.
Fucking arsehole. Oh, camera.
So will I, boys now growers, the rightful ones, how it's meant to be. Watch this! Watch! Jesus Christ! I'll shut you up with a knife like I've got. Hey, don't eat this! Come on, let's go, bro. Let's go. Now you taught me to drive. Watch me go now. Hey. Hey, please, don't go. Oh, you're helping me. Good, keep it going, cause it's Good Friday.
Get him out! Oh, die! Oh, get him out!
Oh no!
Get not move! Get him up! Get him out! Get him down!
Oh shit, 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 shit. Nope, 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 nope. Back of the fucking... Turn the back of the van. That's it. Steer you off. Steer you off. Fuck! Steer you off. Steer you off. Turn that way. Turn that way. Use the wheels as a fucking rudder.
कल प्लेटें लगी हैं to be going fast to do this.
We are by
I'm on Proctor Street.
Proctor Street. It's getting out the van. Oh no, no, make sure.
You just hit me, dude.
It's getting out the van.
You poured out on me, you hit me.
I didn't
Yeah.
see it. There was a cyclist there. Don't you see him?
Huh?